Hey guys, and welcome back. In this video I will show you how to add size chart in Wix. So let's just begin. This one, it is actually pretty easy. For this you need to head over to your page and then choose your product page. So this is where all your products are basically listed and you can modify the settings for them. So you need to simply manage products from top left, and then here you are onto your dash and you will have your products. So let's just say you want to add the size for this particular product, and then we are going to be adding sizing for this. So how do you actually add your chart is using this add an info section. So let's just name it size chart, and then we're going to be adding in here 6x6 table. Just like that, you got a table, and in here we are going to be adding our sizes. So let's just say small, and then we have medium, large, XL, and 2XL. The choice is completely yours, so you can easily add whatsoever you would like, or how your sizing is based, because for every product it differs. In here it could be width, below could be height, and could be shoulders, and finally we can add in here sleeve, and below you can add any of your own values. This is the body diameter, right? So in small you can add your sizing. Let's just say for this it is 1, for this it is going to be 2, for this you can do it for, let's just say 4 maybe. Again, this totally depends on your product. You do not have to do similar to what I'm doing because it's your product, you know better about it. And yeah, so this is how your size chart should look. We got our parameters on the left side, nicely organized, and above we got our sizes and the numbers, the units, and the actual values for those sizes. Click on OK, and you will be able to see that our size chart is now added. Now once you add it, make sure to click on save, so it is nicely saved in that product. And here was that product. Let's just see how it looks in the front end section. Alright, so here we got our product, and you can see we got our size chart over here. If I click on this plus drop down, you can see how nice this size chart looks, and we got everything organized. So that's how easy it is to add a size chart.